Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Stay home and stay safe. Take a healthy food and take care of yourself. It's your maths period. Today is Friday, 9th April 2021. Today our topic is multiplication. It's page number 59, 61 and 63 of countdown. So open your countdown books. Students, open your countdown books. Students, open page number 59 of countdown. First of all, write here classwork and short it, that is 9th April 2021. Count in sevens and fill in the missing numbers. Let us multiply sevens. Bunny is jumping in sevens. When we add 7 in 0, the answer is 7. When again we add 7 in 7, it's 14, and it means 7 twos are 14. 7 3 times are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56, and up to so on. Count in sevens and fill in the missing numbers. Look at A part, it's 7. Students, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 six are 42, and 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49. Now look at B part. Here we have 0. When we add 7 in 0, answer is 7. When we add 7 in 0, it's 7. Now 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. And 7 fives are 35. Here we have wrong number. It's 7 fives are 35. Students, now look at C part. It's 21 and 28. These both numbers come in table of 7. So we start table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. Now question number 5. Color the squares counting in sevens. Look at this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Next comes 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70, and 7 elevens are 77, 7 twelves are 84. Students, as you cannot read table after 10, so you just color the squares counting in sevens. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and next 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So students, you will color the squares like this. Now open page. It's page number 61. Let us multiply its 8s. Bunny is jumping in 8s. It's Students, here we have 0 at the starting point, and when we add 8 in 0, it's 8, and again when we add 8 in 8, it's 16. So 8 twos are 16, and when again we add 8 in 16, it's 24, and 8 3 times are 24. 8 1 times are is 8, 8 2 times are 16, 8 3 times are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 sevens are 56, and up to so on. Look at this A part. Here we have 8. 8 ones are 8. Now 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. Here we have next number. It's 24. 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, and 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56. Now look at B part. Here we have 0. When we add 8 in it, it's 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 eights are 64. Now look at C part. It's 16. Start from here. It's 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. Next comes 8 24. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. Next comes 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 eights are 64. Now we have question number 8. Finish coloring the squares by counting in 8s. Look at this. Here we have 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Next, look at this. When we add 8 in 80, it's 88. It's 88. So we do color the square 88. Now look at this. After 88, which number comes? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It means 96. So we color the square 96. Students, I hope you will understand it. To page number 59 and 61 on your countdown books and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.